Your mind feels tired sometimes, doesn't it? The nights are long, the thoughts are heavy, and the eyes don't see as sharply as they used to. You try to read a simple message on your phone, and the letters blur. You walk into a room and forget why you went there, and you tell yourself, maybe this is just aging. But what if it's not just aging? What if your brain and your eyesight are simply asking for the right kind of nourishment? Something gentle, something natural, and something you can drink before bed so your body repairs itself while you sleep. Tonight, I want to share 4 bedtime juices that seniors over 60 swear by. These drinks don't just taste good, they feed your eyes, your memory, your focus, and your sleep cycle. And the best part, they work quietly overnight while you rest. Imagine waking up and feeling your vision a little clearer. Words look sharper, colors look brighter, and your mind feels awake, steady, and peaceful. That change doesn't happen suddenly. It happens sip by sip, night after night. So let's begin with the first gentle drink your brain loves after 60. Take a glass of fresh carrot-orange juice. Carrots are full of beta-carotene and lutein, 2 nutrients your eyes desperately crave as you age. At night, these nutrients travel to your retina and strengthen the tiny cells that help you see in low light. The orange adds vitamin C, which helps reduce oxidative stress inside the eye. Seniors who drink this before bed often say their morning vision feels less foggy and their eyes strain less when reading their phone or watching TV. The sweetness relaxes your nerves, and the nutrients repair your sight while you sleep. Now let's talk about something your brain absolutely loves. Blueberry juice. A small glass of pure blueberry juice before bed works like a natural memory booster. Blueberries contain antioxidants that protect brain cells from aging and inflammation. When you sleep, your brain clears toxins and rewires memories. Blueberries make this process smoother, helping improve recall, focus, and mental clarity. Many seniors say they feel mentally sharper within days, less forgetful, more alert, and more grounded. And the gentle natural sugars calm midnight cravings so you don't wake up hungry. The third juice is beetroot with apple. This is powerful. Beet juice opens up your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your brain and eyes. At night, improved circulation means better cell repair and stronger cognitive function. Seniors who drink beet apple juice report feeling more energetic the next day, sleeping deeper, and experiencing fewer morning headaches. Apple adds natural quercetin, which supports eye lens health and prevents age-related cloudiness. And together, they form a smooth, sweet drink that relaxes your whole system before bedtime. And finally, something your brain and eyes thank you for every single night: warm cherry juice. This isn't just a juice, it's a sleep potion. Tart cherries contain natural melatonin, which helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Good sleep is the hidden key to sharper vision and stronger brain power after 60. When you sleep deeply, your brain detoxes and your eyes repair faster. Cherry juice also reduces inflammation, improving eye moisture and reducing dryness. Many seniors feel calmer, sleep deeper, and wake up with a clearer mind when they drink this before bed. These 4 juices sound simple, but they carry powerful nutrients the aging body often lacks. As you grow older, your cells slow down, your eyes get tired faster, your brain burns energy quickly, and your sleep becomes lighter. But these bedtime drinks give your body the fuel it needs to repair and recharge overnight. Consistency is the secret. You don't need to drink all 4 every night. Just choose one, sip it slowly, and give your body the tools it needs to heal. Picture yourself in the next few weeks. You wake up with more clarity. You read without squinting. Your thoughts feel organized. Your mood feels calmer. You remember things more easily: where you kept your keys, what you needed to buy, the name you were trying to recall. And your nights become restful again, the kind of sleep that makes mornings feel hopeful. Aging is not a downfall, it is a different rhythm of life. And when you nourish your body with these natural bedtime juices, you're not just supporting your eyes and brain, you're giving yourself a gentle, comforting ritual that brings peace, healing, and strength. Tonight, choose one of these drinks. Let it be your small nighttime gift to yourself. Your body will thank you, your eyes will thank you, and your mind will feel the difference in ways you didn't expect.